Hello guys, welcome back to the universe of Tech Up. In this tutorial, we will learn about in-order traversal. In previous tutorial, we will learn how to traverse a pre-order. In this tutorial, we will learn in-order traversal techniques and examples and algorithms using a Python program implementation. The tree traversal is a way to visit all the nodes in a tree data structure. There are several methods to do this, including a pre-order, post-order, and in-order traversal. We In this tutorial we concentrate on in-order traversal today. First, what is in-order traversal? In-order traversal is a specific method of visiting a nodes in a binary tree. The traversal order in-order traversal, we visit the nodes in the following order. It visits the first it visits the left subtree in order. Next, it visits the root node. Next, it traverses the right subtree in order. It is all about algorithm for in-order traversal. Let's see one example for in-order traversal. First, it visits the left subtree. In the left subtree is D is the child of B. So, first it visits the left subtree, that is D. Next, it visits the B. This is also in left subtree. Next, it visits the E. Next, it visits the A is the root node. It visits the A. Next, we move on to the left subtree. It first visits the C. Next, F. This is all about how to traverse it in order using A, B, C, D, E, F as the nodes. This is all about in-order traversal. We move on to the Python programming code implementations in order. Before we go into this, why we use a in-order traversal? One of the key properties of in-order traversal is a binary search tree, is that it visits the node in ascending order. The applications of your in-order tree traversal is it useful for tasks such as sorting, searching, or generating a sorted list of values from a binary search tree. Next, we move to the coding part. First, we need to define a node class node. Next, we need to initialize self and key as the parameter. Self dot left is equals to none. Next, self dot right is equals to none. Next, self dot value is equal to key. The first we have a class called as a node. This class is represented a single node in our binary tree. Each node has a three attributes, that is left, right, and value. The left subtree and left and right subtrees are will point to the node's children. Value stores the values of the node. When we create a new node, left and right are initialized to none, indicating that the node has no children initially. Next, we move on to the in-order traversal function. To write the in-order traversal function, define in-order traversal, the root as the parameter. If root in-order traversal, we visit the nodes in the following order. First, it visits the left subtree. Next, it visits the root subtree. Next, it finally visits the right subtree. If the current node is none, the function is simply returns the preventing any errors. If root in-order traversal root dot left, next print root dot value, comma, end is equals to in order traversal root dot right. This is the following order to visit the tree in order. Next, we need to build the tree using a function as build tree method. Build tree. The root value is equals to input. Enter the root value. Input. Enter the root value. Next, root is equals to node of root value. This is to store the value in the root. We use a queue to keep track of nodes whose children the input for left child, the right, the left value is equals to input of enter left child of current value or none if no child. Next, if left value dot lower is not equal to none. None. The current in left value, the current dot left equal to none. Node of left value q dot append the current dot left, while the current is equals to q dot pop 0. This is the left value input for left child. This is all about input for left child and root value. Next, input for right child, right value is equals to input enter the right child of current value or or none if no child. If no child. If right value dot lower is not equal to none. The current dot right is equals to node of right value current right. Next, it returns the root. Return root. This is all about build a tree. First, we have build a tree function which construct our binary tree based on user input. We start by asking the user to enter the root value which initializes the root node. Next, we use a queue to keep track of nodes whose children we still need to set. This allows us to build the tree level by level. For each node, we prompt the user to enter the values for left and right children. If the user inputs none, we simply do not create a child node. This process continues until all nodes are added and we return the root of the tree. Name equal to main print building a binary building a binary tree root is equals to build tree is to build tree. Next it print in order traversal of the binary tree is in order traversal root. Finally, we have the in the main block of code that runs when the script is executed. It starts by notifying the user that we are building a binary tree. After building the tree, using the build tree function, we perform an in-order traversal and print the values of the nodes. Execute this program. Enter the root value. A is the root. Enter the left child is B. The right child is C. In-order traversal of the binary tree if B, A and C the root value A. The next is left child is B. Right child is C. The left child of B is D. The right child of B is E. The left child of C is none. The right child of C is yeah. The left child of D is none. The right child of D is none. The left child of E is none. The right child of E is none. The left child of F is none. The right child of F is none. This is the in-order traversal of the binary trees D, B, E, A, C, F. First it visits the left subtree and it visits the root and it visits the right subtree. This is all about in-order traversal of binary tree. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.